Yeah! Alright, I'm back. If you didn't see part 1, go check it out. But I am rebuilding the worst yz125 on YouTube / the internet. But right now, pretty much I'm just getting it together. I'm seeing what I'm missing, and then I'm going to go from there. I already know that I'm missing a CDI, which the one off the 250 is not the same. It has 5 wires coming out of it, and I need 6 wires. I was hoping I was going to be able to rewire it, but I guess I was wrong on that, which is fine. I was expecting to be missing some stuff. But another thing, motor mount from the 250 does not also fit, which that would be expected, but it's just on there. Need a carb boot. Motor seems to be good. The cylinder does need to be replated, but this is just for now. Like I said, to get everything on it that I have, to see what I have. But this is what I got off the 250 so far. Clutch lever, didn't have the carb slide. Got the brake pin for the foot brake and the throttle tube, and then a couple radiator hoses, and then that's the swing arm for it, and the chain. Pretty much, yeah. So I'm gonna be getting the swing arm on next. I worked off camera yesterday like an hour on getting this linkage free, which the bolt's stuck in it, which is great. So that'll be addressed later down the road. Got to get a chain roller on it, but yeah, I think the first thing that I'm going to start with is putting the swing arm on it, and then switching the throttle tube, the cable, and same with the clutch. Going to get that all switched out, and then the kill switch as well. So I'm going to get all that on, and then the carb is disgusting, so I'm going to have to clean that out at some point. Got the rear end together. Gonna move on to the rear brake now. Get all the lines on, caliper, all that. Pedal on. Look at the pin they had in this thing. Crazy. Thought this was pretty cool how it says YZ for the caliper guard. I got the rear wheel on. I have not tried the brake yet. What are the odds that it works? It has fluid in it. Let's see. Ooh, maybe it'll pump up. Had hopes in the rear brake, but I guess not. It's all right. I was hoping it was gonna work because the front one actually works somehow. Don't know how. It's been sitting for who knows how long. But yeah, I'm gonna move on to the subframe now, and probably the carburetor. This is what the inside of the carb looks like. It's absolutely disgusting. See if we can get it cleaned out. Got it a lot cleaner. Got a new O-ring on the float seat. And for the bolt for the bottom. This piece right here, got a new O-ring on it. Get that together. Alright. Got the subframe on. Carb is on. Air filter. Got a throttle. Somehow it's pretty snappy for what it is. Yeah, I'm now going to work on the clutch cable. If you don't own one of these Motion Pro cable lubers, you need one. All you do is just slip the cable in, like that, slide it down, tighten these up, and all you do is just slip the straw in and just slowly add. It's going to come out a little bit. And just take the tool off, work it back and forth. don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it, but the lube will come all the way through, come out the bottom of the cable, and then you got a freshly lubed cable. All right, got the clutch cable ran. Clutch perch, real smooth actually. Really surprised. But one thing I did notice was this. I don't know what they got going on here. I don't know why they extended it. So we don't have to get a new one of those, but. Okay, so I'm ending the video on that note, getting all that done today. In the next video, I'll be getting the exhaust on, the chain. Still need to get that chain roller on, and probably just finishing it all up, getting the plastics in the tank on, and little odds and ends. So look out for part 3.